Hello, it's John Neal here. It's Sunday the 7th of July and we're going to have another look 3 weeks later from the first attempt at the building progress at the Higham Lane North Academy. Well, 3 weeks ago I did this video and 700 people have seen it since, and let's hope the sun stays out and that storm over there stays over there or goes that way. I think we're going this way, so we should be okay. Right, let's get the drone going up, okay? Tighten your seatbelts, we're off. Well, there you have it. Quite a bit of progress made, really. Well done, folks, the builders. Very good. So now we know. Thanks for watching, and you'll see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.